I tried this platform previous months ago, and the results we actually got from this platform was positive. Now, the feedback I actually got from the audience of this channel was also massive. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can navigate around this platform and also accumulate some earnings for yourself, because this is a platform we all have tried and we found out that it was productive. So in this video, I'm still going to take you on how you can navigate some activities on this platform. Now, if you're new to this platform and you actually want to be interested in getting started on this platform, all you just have to do is to stay tuned to the end of this video. Now, all I ask from you to get started on this platform, so please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch right now. So we are going to get started by setting up an account for ourselves, clicking the first link on the pinned comment section, and it's going to bring you over to an interface where you get to set up an account for yourself. Now, after setting up an account for yourself, the next thing you want to do is to know how the features on this platform works. Very simple and a very quick one. To get started on this platform, once you click the first link on the pinned comment section, you're going to be brought into this interface where you can actually see registration through the email address or a mobile number, but I recommend you go through the email address. Now, put in a registered email address, then put in a login password. Also put in a security password. Always on this platform, you'll be asked the security password when you want to place a withdrawal on this account. So the next thing you want to do is to come down here and click on register. Then automatically your account will be created right on this platform. But since I have an account on this platform, all I just need to do is to log in my account right here. So I'm just going to enter my details in this account. So once you are logged in, you're going to be seeing how this interface is going to look like. Okay, so once you sign up on this platform, the next thing you want to do is to know how to navigate right on this platform. Now, you can actually see where it says the recharge, the withdraw, help team, download app, activities, agent cooperation, and invite friends. Now, when you look at my total assets, you can actually see that I have 12 USDT on my account. Now, when you come down to where it says invest, okay, you can actually see that these are circuits on this platform. Now, when you come down to where it says quantify, you can actually see that you can just come right here and start to quantify right on this platform. Now, this is a quantification platform that after quantifying, you get some generated income for quantifying right on this platform. Now, when I go ahead to click on start quantifying, this is going to generate me some additional income on my account. Now, you can actually see that start quantification, queuing up, and it's just going through some processes just to accumulate some earnings for me. As you can see right now, this has actually quantified 2.9 USDT on my account. As you can see right now, that right now I am on VIP 1, and this is giving me a generated income every single day. Now, since I have clicked on start quantifying and have been given a generated income, once I come down to where it says me, you can actually see that I have an income on my account. You can actually see this yourself. Now, once I go over to total revenue, you can actually see that the revenue I just earned was 2.9 USDT on my account. Now, when you come down to click on withdraw, it's going to show you that revenue you quantified on your account. Now, we have our two means of withdrawal on this platform. This is the BEP20 USDT, or you can go ahead using your Binance account. Now, all you just have to do is to go over to your crypto wallet and copy the exact network for this transaction. Once you go ahead copying a different network, you might lose your funds on this account. So all you just have to do is to copy the exact wallet address and put in the amount you want to put in and place your withdrawal on this account. As you can see right now, that the security password is here to give you approval for your withdrawals. So what I'm just going to do right now is to come right here and put in the exact amount I want to withdraw, which is the 2.94. Then I'm going to add the 0 at the end of this figure. So once I'm done with that, the next thing I want to do is to put in my address right here. Then I'm going to put in my security password. Okay, take note of your security password because this will be asked whenever you want to place withdrawal on your account. So right now all I just want to do is to come down and click on confirm. But before that, you can actually see that I'll be getting the exact credited amount of 2.94 USDT. So I'm just going to click on confirm withdrawal. Going to be expecting the withdrawals on our account. As you can see, withdrawal success. So I'll be showing you the credited amount on my Bybit account. Then we proceed on how you can navigate on this platform. And here we have it. The 2.94 USDT just arrived on my Bybit account. As you can see how fast and swift this platform works when it comes to withdrawals. And so guys, when you recently log into this platform, you'll be getting this announcement: welcome to 100x Gem official platform, 24 hours deposit and withdrawal, no handling fee for withdrawals. Okay, online time May 13, 2025, quantitative reset time Singapore time, and you're actually going to see that this member validity period is for 365 days. Now this platform can simultaneously carry out quantitative mode and intelligent mode investment. Okay, so right now let's close this. So before you can go ahead to get involved in the quantification on this platform, you need to come down to where it says invest. So you should know the particular VIP you are actually going for the income you actually want to be generating by quantifying. Okay, so once you come down to where it says quantify, you're going to be seeing these packages right in front of you. Now when you come down to where it says VIP1, you can actually see that currently on my account this is the package I am on. Now when you come down to VIP2, you can actually see the amount you can use to unlock this and your daily rebates on this platform. Now they have the VIP1 down to several VIPs right here. I think the last VIP on this account is the VIP 10. Now you can actually go for what you can afford, as I just went for the VIP 1. Now before you can go ahead for the VIP 1 or any VIPs on this platform, you just have to come to your account and you're going to be seeing the recharge button. Now go ahead, click on the recharge button. Now these are several networks you can use to fund your account. Now we have the TRC 20 USDT, TRX, BEP20 USDT. The BNB is actually your Binance, and we have the BEP20 USDC. Now anyone that you actually want to go for, just have to click on it and it's going to display the wallet address you want to use to fund your account. Now what you just have to do is to copy this wallet address and fund your account accordingly. Now once you've actually funded your account, you can now go ahead to go back to quantify after funding your account. Then pick any of those VIP you want to start unlocking or start quantifying for yourself. Just come down to click to unlock. So once you go ahead clicking to unlock, it's going to ask you to confirm that you want to unlock this package, and once you've done that, you would start your rebate income on this platform. Now after getting that, you still have to come up here to click on start quantify. Please take note, once you click on start quantify, you are going to be getting a rebate income of what you have actually invested right on this platform. Okay, now there's another means you can use to increase your earnings on platforms like this, what we call the affiliate program. Now on this affiliate program, what you just have to do is to come down to where you can find their invite friends. So once you click on invite friends, it's going to direct you over to where you can get your affiliate program link. Now once you go ahead sharing this affiliate program link, you can actually use this to get an income also for yourself when you invite individuals to this platform and they actually do the investment and the quantifying on this platform. You will be getting an additional income right on your account. Now these are just the few things you need to know about this platform. You can use the link below the description or the pinned comment section of this video, set up an account for yourself and start leveraging more on this website, because this website is a platform we have tested and have been given positive feedback. Okay, and so please note that this video is strictly for educational purpose only and should not be considered as a financial advice. Kindly invest what you can afford on platforms like this. Good luck and thanks for watching. Please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. See you on my next video and keep winning.